Hi friends, and welcome back to Priya's kitchen. Today I am going to show you another vegetarian recipe, Chana Masala, also known as Chole-Chana Masala. Is very tasty and very easy to prepare. So let's get started. I have taken here 1 bowl of boiled chole or kabuli chana, 1 large onion puree, 2 medium tomato puree, cumin seed, ginger garlic paste, dry whole garam masala. Here I have taken cardamom, bay leaf, javitri and cinnamon, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and garam masala powder. Medium heated cooking pot ready. Adding oil. Allow oil to heat up for a minute or so. Adding dry whole garam masala, cinnamon, bay leaf, cardamom and javitri. Give a light mix. Add cumin seed. Cumin seed started crackling. Adding ginger garlic paste. Salt. We will allow ginger garlic paste to cook for 5 to 7 minutes until it loses out oil and become golden brown in color. Ginger garlic paste has been cooked. Adding onion puree. Give a good mix. Cook it on medium flame until onion get cooked. Onion has been cooked well, raw smell has gone. Adding tomato puree. Turmeric powder, red chili powder. Coriander powder and garam masala powder. Give a good mix. Put the lid on and cook it on medium-low flame for 15 to 20 minutes until tomato get cooked. It's been almost 15 minutes. The masala has been cooked well. I was checking in between to make sure masala is not sticking to the bottom of the pan. And this is the right time. We will add our boiled chole. Give a light mix. Add water. Mix it well. Put the lid on and cook it on low flame for 15 minutes. Then our chole will be ready. Now our chole masala is ready. We will garnish it with freshly chopped coriander leaf. You can serve this chole masala with rice, roti, naan, puri, paratha and kulcha. Thanks for watching. Hope you like my recipe. Please like, comment and subscribe Priya's Kitchen for more videos. Bye bye.